Yo, guys. We are in Boise right now. We actually just flew in. We're gonna be teaching some classes and I'm gonna be taking you guys on a little journey. So stick with me. We got the, what kind of car is this? Is this a Honda? I think it's a Sonata. We got a Sonata. I mean, we're riding like bling bling if you ask me. Anyways, let's get this thing going because I think it's about 25 minutes away. You know, I'm not gonna talk the whole time. I think that would be boring, but you know, is this car on? All right, guys, so we have arrived. Officially, we are in Nampa, Idaho. I've never been here before, so yeah, let's do this. Class is about to begin in 32 minutes. So I gotta get pumped. You know what I mean? That's the whole thing. Like, you gotta get excited, you gotta get into it, and it'll come probably about 5 minutes before, but right now I'm kind of feeling a little lethargic, a little lazy. Maybe it's just been sitting in the sun right now, but it's gonna be badass. So let's do this!
That's cute.
All right, guys, so I finished the first class of the day. It's about 7:35 in Nampa. And dude, it was amazing. It was a doozy, you know what I mean? I got chapped lips when I was up there. I needed some water. I was like, you know, anyways, but you know, guys, it was super fun. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. You know, little tips and, you know, whatever, man. I'm kind of babbling right now. I mean, I'm gonna put my sunglasses back on because I think I look cooler with them on, but you know, whatever, man. It is just one of those days, and I love teaching and sharing and making hairdressers better. So, we're doing it again, and tomorrow morning, man. Oh, I promised my wife I would look for one thing, you know. She's like, do not bring those home with you. What are we looking for? We're looking to see if they have bed bugs. All right, man. Okay. Don't put anything down yet. Let's make sure.
See any eggs or?
No, man. I mean, that's the last thing we want to bring home with us, man. It's kind of like an STD. You just don't want to come home with anything like that. You know what I mean? I think we're good. You know, we're going to keep the search going. We don't want to keep this video going on forever, but I think it's going to be a success. Babe, I love you. I'm not bringing home bed bugs. All right, guys, so this Boise hotel is actually really amazing. The food was delish, seriously, man. It was awesome. So, you know, when you speak for 2 hours, it is so exhausting. Literally, I was just like, kind of faded. I am super ready to do it again today. I'm actually looking in the mirror. I think Do I have anything in my nose? You know. Anyways, but super excited to do it today. I got out all the cobwebs. You know, I haven't spoken publicly in a few years, so I am excited to do it again today. We're gonna have a bigger class. You know what I mean? It's just gonna be dope. Gotta get substance for today, man. You know. Is your hair curly? No? Yeah. Yeah, let's do you. Okay, good. Can I get somebody to wash her? Yes, cool. Thank you. The funny thing about it is that some people just refer to bangs as fringe, and fringe, like, they're literally the same thing. I don't even know where they got that word. It's so weird. You know, it means bangs. Highlight, fringe, the same thing. There is no difference. Okay, bangs and fringe. Okay. If I made this line straight right through here, it would have been thinner in this area. So I go to cut the front, and then I have very little hair right through here, and then I have more hair kind of like underneath in that area. And I start to just kind of shape that up down through here. And you can see how I'm kind of like brushing this down. You need to make sure when you blow dry that it is hovering above the section. See, it's sexy, right? Just mamacita. Right? She's got like this fringe that now she can kind of like rock to the side and bring this focus all around. You know what I mean? Sexy? You guys dig? Cool. Enjoy. Yeah, pleasure. Enjoy that. Okay. All right, guys, I finished second day class and I'm not as exhausted. I think the first time speaking, I was just exhausted, taken out of me, but it was amazing. It went absolutely fabulous. I love it. I love sharing my passion with people that are just open to hearing it and inspiring them to be just better people, better artists, better creatives, and just better hairdressers in general. I think it's kind of funny because I can tell my nose is a little bit dry, and so I probably need to pick a booger, and I probably shouldn't because my wife's always like, don't pick your nose, bro. But anyways, that's neither here nor there, you know. Let's get the move on. Let's get back to Salt Lake City.